A lot of my cleaning contracts start at the very beginning of the year, and I do that on purpose just to kind of keep everything organized, and so that I know that I can guarantee my base salary, at least a starting salary, measuring within a calendar year.
Look, this for all my boss babe. Go do your boss babe. Loving how you boss babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursue it. Look, this for all my boss babe. Go do your boss babe.
Happy New Year, Boss Fam. What is up? It's your boy DJ the Boss, and I am back with another video. Quick one for y'all today. I just wanted to say Happy New Year. What are you planning for the new year? Are you going to kill it this year? Are you waiting for some reason to get started? Are you waiting for some reason to push, to go harder, to go to the next level? Let me give you a different way to think about it. I take every opportunity to improve or to challenge myself or to refocus myself towards my goals. It is so important. A lot of people like to avoid the whole new year, new me type thing, and they think it's cliche, but I don't think there's ever anything wrong with using some event or time or opportunity to improve yourself or to better yourself. So Happy New Year. Take your company to the moon. That's my plan. I'm always trying to improve and get better. So definitely use the new year 2025 as that opportunity for you. Do not wait. Do not wait. It's the start of the year. Go ahead and get started. Get to work. Now is the time to be working. Put things out into the world. Let people know that you are in business and that you are doing this. You don't need anything else. You don't need anything. Get started. Go tell someone that you're in business. Ask them for their business and negotiate the things that you need in order to get started. The new year for me is going to look completely different than how it looks now. So I am a bit nervous, but also excited for a new beginning for me. I'm not gonna say too much now. I got a video coming up on all of that updated stuff for those of you who are interested in that type of stuff. But for cleaning business people specifically who are looking for more cleaning business specific stuff, if you haven't already, go ahead and occupy your space online. Go ahead and start putting things out. Go ahead and start reaching out to people. It's that time. You know, it's a whole new year. A lot of my cleaning contracts start at the very beginning of the year, and I do that on purpose just to kind of keep everything organized, and so that I know that I can guarantee my base salary, at least a starting salary, measuring within a calendar year. I don't know, just a personal preference. I don't think it's super important, but it's just an easy way to keep track of everything year by year. So if you have clients that are kind of just floating around month to month, go ahead and see if you can lock them into that 12-month agreement so that you can guarantee your company that revenue for the rest of the year. Keep it pushing. Get to it. Get back to work. Get back to that focus, that grind that you had when you first started, when you first decided that you were sick of the way that your life was, or you were sick of not owning something for yourself, or that you were sick of working for somebody else. Now it's time to work for yourself. You know, get to work. It's time to do that. So it's a whole new year, 2025. We're leaving last year behind us. Let's get to it. Let's get to this bag. I love y'all, man. Happy New Year. I'll see y'all in 2025. Keep that boss mentality. Peace. Does your cleaning business generate its own leads? You should check out my automated lead generation system. It's the same thing I used to grow my commercial cleaning business and eventually work with brands like the North Face, Disney, and Planet Fitness. This is going to show you how to sell to commercial and automate the process when it's time to scale. Get it now and start growing your commercial cleaning business. What's up, Cleaning Bosses? We make the Cleaning Boss app better and better every single day. Right now, you can go and schedule a demo. So you can start your free trial or schedule a demo if you're still curious, if you're just thinking about it, if you don't know what it does. Schedule a demo. We'll show you exactly what it does and how it can help your business. mycleaningboss.com. Check it out right now.